We're unboxing
Alien Fireworks!
So it's called Aerial Assault Collection.
We got
from Alien. Super Tank, Tornado, Whirlwind, Alter Ego, Final Fantasy, Limelight, Going Viral, Trainwreck, Crazy Bomber, Countdown, Evil Clowns. That one looks scary, huh?
Drunk Love.
Drunk Love, Dinner Time, Heart of Glass, Time to Shine, Shining Star.
Hey. What did you say? Open the tape.
Mama, we're starting already.
Hold on, I'll let you. There.
Open the box.
Wow.
I'm getting this one out.
Man. Spinning tornado, guys.
Tornado. This is the tornado.
We got this one. We got
also, I don't know what this one
Super
says.
Tank. Let's put them on the floor.
Guys, we got these load of families.
Ooh.
Spread them out, guys. Like nice.
This one.
Trainwreck.
That one.
That's Trainwreck? Oh yeah.
What is this one?
Which one?
Final Fantasy.
Final Fantasy. Tsunami Bochi.
That one's the going viral.
This one is Heart of Glass.
Put the big ones in the back.
Oh yeah. Okay, we got Dinner Time. And then
That's
King
the
Kong.
evil looking one. Come on, Daddy. Kong.
We got Dinner Time.
Oh look, this one ripped a little bit.
Oh shoot.
Let me see, hold on.
Oh look, that one's ripped too.
Yeah, that one's ripped.
Hold on, guys, hold on. This one's gonna be tricky.
Yeah, those are gonna be tricky.
Alter Ego.
Oh, it's a clown one. Wait, can you give me that one, Mommy?
Time to Shine.
Time to shine.
Another Drunk Love.
Drunky.
And Shining Star.
Did I go with you? And what about the clown one?
And then we have extra ones right here.
Well, where's the clown? Where's the clown?
Oh, that's true. Where's the clown one?
Is it over here? Or
No.
something?
Let me see. Let me see.
Where's the clown one?
Look, it's supposed to have this one. Evil Clown. No, but we don't. There's no Kong here.
No con.
No, there's no Kong. Look, you see how we have the Kong? So we got every other one, but this one. We got, instead of Evil Clown, we got Kong. 2 boxes of these.
Well, Mom. Okay, guys, we have Freeze Time. See the little
Freezing
eye?
Time.
Then we have Drunk Love
Another Drunk Love.
Yeah, we have another Drunk Love, guys. It probably goes like when they're drunk.
We got Purple Lightning.
And now we got the Z Factor, the boss.
Now
We have 2 of those.
Now we
Yeah,
got,
two Z Factors,
we
guys.
got Hell No.
Oh, hell no, boy. Yeah.
Let's put this.
Oh, wait, we forgot to show them the...
It's Christmas in July.
Wait,
They're
wait,
like presents, huh?